that will celebrate Trinity Stamps' new release called Warm and Cozy. So if you are leaving comments on all the videos, you have a chance to win a $15 gift certificate to Trinity Stamps shop. And the winner will be drawn on November 13. So make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity, because the release is amazing, and I know that you will find a lot of inspiration if you follow the hop. It will be the first link in the video description. And the person after me is Jenny, so I know you will love her video as well. So I have been stamping out and started to color in some of these cute critters from the Cozy Christmas Cottage. And this is of course one of the new stamp sets that are being released today. So links to all the products that I'm using in this video will be after the video hop information, then all the links will be listed down below. So here I'm coloring in this cute tree, and all the color combinations are really simple. I'm using one or two, or I don't think I use 3 markers, maybe 3 markers, but not more than that. And I think the tree was the one with the most colors. So anyway, we're skipping on because I'm gonna use a new die set. This is the wide pop-up box card. And this is one of my favorite products from this release. You can see that this will create a pop-up box, and it will be in the format of a slimline. So when this is folded, it will fit inside of an envelope, and it measures 8.5 by 3 3/4. So that is really nice. And when it's popped out, it will be approximately 8 wide, so a really nice size. And I cut out 2 of these panels for my base, and you can see I'm just creasing the score lines here. I will have a link up in the right corner here for a video on Trinity Stamps YouTube channel that I created on how to assemble this, but it's basically you will see it here as well, but it's really simple to create, so I think you will have no problem to assemble this. This is really easy. I am taking some strong score tape to our flaps here, and I will line it up on my grid mat just to make sure that I can assemble this really straight here, because you can see that the base nearly is formed now, so it's really easy just to press these 2 pieces together, and all you need to do is cut this twice and you have your card base for this box card. So really simple, and it does all the scoring for you. And I decided not to score the back part of this because I want my scene to be, what can you say, grounded, or I want some backer piece because I will have my fireplace and stuff like that. It will be like a wall in my scene building here, so I wanted to make sure that I didn't crease that one, but you could if you wanted to have a complete open box. So here is the bridge part that also comes and is pre-scored for you. All you do is press some adhesive and then press them in place. I will show you 2 ways to assemble this. You can just press it down on one side and then fold it over when it's completely flat, laying flat down. Just press this over, take away the adhesive on the other flap, and then fold it over on itself. So you can see how easy that was to assemble. Another way to adhere this bridge part are to do it when it's all put together, so to speak. So then you can just do it like I'm doing now, just pressing them in place. So how high you want these bridge pieces to be, you have to decide on what type of card you want to create. But for my card, I wanted it to be pretty far up. This will act like a floor. In my scene, we will have a white floor. So if you wanted to, you could actually have another color on these bridge parts, but I just wanted to keep it simple. So here is a pattern paper from Trinity Stamps. I will leave a link down below for that one as well. And this larger part you can have on the back side of your card base. I showed this a second ago, and you can write your message on it if you wanted to. So for the pieces here, you can cut out how many you want. I know that I cut out 2 of the same for all the flaps, so that means 4 for the smaller flaps and 2 for the large flap here in the front. so I can have it completely covered both when it's closed and when it's open. And I will also cover the downside on these ones. If I wanted to, I could also do it to the back side if I wanted to cover that, but I wanted to spare some white space where I could write my message if I wanted to. If I didn't want my backer piece to go all the way down, I could also use one of the smaller stitched pieces to have on the back side as well. So you have a couple of options, and here you can see how I decorated my box, and I left the white space on the back so I can write a message. And now comes the fun part when you get to decorate this really cute box, and I decided just to keep it simple and only use the stamp set in this, or only use the images from this stamp set. But you can see that in the new release there are a lot of cute stamp sets being released that could coordinate with this, and also we have some previously released that I think would be really cute and pretty to combine with this stamp set and pair up and build a really intricate scene with these. And yeah, I think you can play around and have a lot of fun. What I like about this format is that it's larger, so you have a lot of space to build on, and I think that gives you a lot of freedom. And I know that I will be creating more of these because it was so much fun, and I'm sorry that I'm a little bit off screen here. So for my sentiment, I went with one of the new Scripty Holiday dies that also are being released today, and I just used the holidays here, and I skipped the happy. I thought it looked cute with holidays only, so you can when you go to mail this out, you can finish your sentiment if you wanted to. I just wanted to have this on my center flap here, or the large flap here, so that really brings some attention to it. And I wanted to keep it, since the card box itself is black and white, I wanted to tie that in as well, so that is the color scheme for this. And you will see that my tree is sticking up a little bit, and it can't stick up that much if you want to use an envelope. So you can see here that I am moving my objects down so everything fits inside of this box, and then you can see that this will perfectly fit inside of a Slimline envelope here. And I just used Trinity Stamps die to create an envelope, so I will have that listed down below as well. You can see that this folds flat, and when you open it, it pops up to be this cute box. So I really like this, and you can see the opportunities are so many on creating really cute scenes with this. And yeah, I really like how my box turned out, but I know I could have decorated the flaps more and have more stuff hanging out to the sides, I think, as well, but I didn't play around with that. You can use acetate and stuff like that as well if you want objects to move. I only used 2 bridges, so you can use more if you want to as well. So that was it for my project today. I hope you like this project, and give it a thumb up and subscribe and comment on this video for a chance to win the gift certificate. The first link below will be the next person in the video hop, so make sure that you follow every hop and leaving comments for a chance to win. So until next time, have a great day. Bye!